Hey guys, it's David. Today is April 30th, 2019, and this is the weekly video update for last week, April 22nd through the 26th. We had a great week. All winners. I didn't update that properly. Hang on a second. 1, 0. Yep. So, and you can see my calendar, my spreadsheet doesn't have enough dates, so I had to move into May to add yesterday, which was a winner. And I still haven't had today's trade yet when I'm doing this video. So hopefully that will win, but that's not there yet. If you add everything up, since I started doing this for you guys back on March 18th, that's when I said, okay, I'm going to start showing all my statements. Just started with 1 contract, moved up to 2 contracts, still trading 2 contracts. And after commissions, I'm up $4,731.70. Not bad income for just 2 contracts. Not bad at all. And again, if you'd like to see my trading statements, just ask. I have them all right here. So there's a big file of them all right there. So they're all there available for anyone to see. Any event, still getting a lot of questions. Pricing point, when am I going to do this? Again, it's going to be a 2-part system. I do it on the Dow and I do it on the ES. The ES is obviously a lot more liquid. The Dow is not. So I'm only going to do 10 people only, and that's it. And then I may at a later time do the ES down the road, but the way I'm going to do it right now is I'm going to combine them into one program. I'll teach the Dow, I'll teach the ES, and then we'll do some live trading as well during a live market session, and you'll fully understand how to do it after that point. And you'll be able to take this and go to other markets if you so choose. You can do this on the NQ, you can do it on other markets. Very, very plausible. But and just like someone asked me yesterday, well, why am I just doing it on the Dow? Time. I do a lot of trading. I've got a lot of longer-term positions. I've said every time, stocks and options. I've been trading for many years. A lot of long-term trades that I take care of. And I just don't want to trade all day long. The ES will trade all day long if you want to, just like the Dow. But you'll get a whole lot more trades in the ES than you will on the Dow. All right, so just comes down to personal choice. You know, I like taking that generally that first trade of the day, and then I'm done worrying about it. So that's it. So with that said, let me give you a quick look at the charts. It really was a slow week in that there wasn't a lot of trades. You can see Monday we had 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers, kind of choppy. So if you think about it, you'd have just been better off taking that first trade and being done with it. But if you want to go all day, that's okay. You just wouldn't. You really would have been spinning your wheels all day with the back and forth. That's kind of how it is sometimes. I mean, that's going to happen. It's trading. But let's look at Tuesday. We had 2 winners and 1 loser. So really the same thing. You could have just taken the first trade, which I did, and been done. But notice it's just been slow. Only had 3 trades. So not a lot of trades at all. And let's go on to Wednesday. two winners. That was it. Both winners. So you'd be up 50 ticks. There was a trade way over here after 3:30 or 3:35 or 3:40, whatever it was. And I don't take these trades after 3 o'clock, 3:15 at the very latest. So I didn't count it. But if you want to add it, you can. But I don't add it because I know I wouldn't have taken the trade. So again, very, very slow days lately. And then Friday, same thing, just 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loss. So if I recall last week, if you went all day long and you were in every valid setup, you would have done better, much better than I did, because I had a loser or 2 last week, just trading that 1 trade a day. So if you'd have went all week, you would have done a lot better. But this week really would have been close because, again, it was slow, not a lot of trades, and a little choppy action. So again, that's what it is. You really have to decide how you want to do it. And then if you want to, and if that's the next thing, if you do have time all day to trade, then you should potentially look at doing both markets, the ES and the Dow, because there's so many more opportunities on the ES. And I might do a video at some point here in the next week or 2 pointing out some of the trades on the ES just to give you an idea. It does not trade the same way. I use the same indicators, but I do not use them the same way simply because the volume just isn't there on a Dow. So in any event, again, if you want to see my statements, just contact Al. If you're interested in being one of the 10 people, just contact Al. And that's it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.